damn. It got into my pool. Look, it got all the way up. I mean, look at this. It got right there. Well, you can see on the side of the tin right there where it's dark. That's how high up it got. It got to there. Look at this. Oh no, look at what it done. It's washed. Look at all this junk. It's washed up. Still up. It got all the way up to. It went under here. Got in my pool. Gosh, damn. Don't. Oh, man. It flooded. It got all the way up. Oh, that's what that is. That's the top to my wagon. The bottom of it's over there. Huh. Oh, wow. Look at this, man. This is crazy. Yeah, my wagon's gone. At the top, well, right there was my fire pit. Right there was Xander's tree house. The creek's there somewhere. Look how much yard it took away. Gosh almighty, man. We're lucky. We're so lucky. He got about 2 foot up on the bottom of the house. Thank God.